Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the first-time homebuyer checklist that saves money. Buying your first home is exciting, but it can also become expensive very quickly if you miss the hidden costs. So, before choosing a house, the first step is to set a real budget. This means you should not only calculate the mortgage payment, but also include property taxes, insurance, utilities, maintenance, and any HOA fees. A home may look affordable at first, but the monthly cost can be much higher than expected. Next, check your credit score before applying for a loan. A stronger credit score can help you qualify for a better interest rate, and even a small reduction in interest can save thousands of dollars over the life of the mortgage. That is why improving your credit early can be one of the smartest money-saving steps. After that, save more than just the down payment. Many first-time buyers focus only on the deposit, but there are also closing costs, moving expenses, emergency repairs, furniture, and setup costs. Therefore, keeping extra cash aside can protect you from financial stress after moving in. Then, get pre-approved before seriously house hunting. Pre-approval helps you understand your real price range and prevents you from wasting time on homes that are outside your budget. It also makes you look more serious to sellers when you are ready to make an offer. In addition, compare multiple lenders instead of accepting the first offer. Different lenders may offer different interest rates, fees, loan terms, and closing costs. As a result, comparing options can help you save a large amount over time, even if the monthly difference looks small. Now, it is also important to understand the full monthly cost. Many buyers only think about principal and interest, but the real payment may include PMI, property tax, homeowner's insurance, and maintenance. So, before saying yes to a house, calculate the full ownership cost, not just the loan payment. After that, research the area carefully. Look at commute time, schools, safety, resale value, flood risk, local taxes, and future development. A cheaper house in the wrong location can cost more later through travel time, repair risk, or poor resale value. Next, do not skip the home inspection. A professional inspection can reveal expensive problems with the roof, plumbing, foundation, electrical system, or heating and cooling. If problems are found early, you may be able to avoid the deal, request repairs, or negotiate a better price. Then, negotiate smartly. If the inspection or market research shows issues, you can ask for seller credits, repairs, or a price reduction. This step can save money immediately and reduce the risk of unexpected costs after closing. After that, review the closing documents carefully. Check the loan amount, interest rate, fees, taxes, insurance, and final cash required to close. This helps you avoid surprises and makes sure the deal matches what you agreed to. Finally, plan for ongoing ownership costs. After buying the home, you may need furniture, appliances, repairs, tools, and regular maintenance. So, the smartest move is to buy below your maximum budget, compare every fee, keep an emergency fund after closing, and remember that a cheap house can still be expensive to own. If you follow this checklist step by step, you can make a more confident buying decision, avoid common first-time buyer mistakes, and save money before and after closing. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.